Hi parents and my dear children. Since it's a Ganpati festival, I decided to have an activity which the kids can be involved to decorate, to use as a decoration behind the Ganpati or also outside your door. It's called Toran when it is put outside the door, above the door. So we are going to make Toran, and for this we need a little bit of glitter, but this is optional. I had green and orange glitter because I'm going to use the green glitter on the leaves and orange on the flowers because we are going to make leaves and flowers. We'll need glue. So I have glue here. We need wool or any rassi, sutli, anything about the size of a little bigger than the size of a whole size tinted paper length. Orange A4 size tinted paper. Green tinted paper full. We won't use it full, but we will need the length of the whole tinted paper. Sketch pens, pencil and scissors. This activity the kids will do this activity by being supported by you parents, because the cutting part I think you will have to do it unless the kids are a little older and you can give them baby scissors to cut the leaves. So now what I did is I took a full length tinted paper, took 2 inches and the whole of the length, and then folded it 1 inch on both sides. Then for the leaves I took again the full length, but I divided into 2 parts because I'll show you how to cut the leaves. 7 inches by say the whole full length of the tinted paper. Cut it, and then after cutting you can make it into small bits like this and then make accordion pleats to make, this is to make the leaves. So to make the accordion leaves, pleats, you fold have folds like this, up and down, and then press it. This is to make the leaves. It's an easier way to make many leaves of the same size. So the upper 1 inch you make out of the 7 inches, 1 inch you leave up, and the lower 6 inches you have over here like this. Okay, and then you make a stem here for the leaf, a little thicker, and you make the leaf, draw the leaves. It has a little free hand over here. So this is the leaf like this, and now I'll show you how to cut it. Just go along it. You can ask the older kids to cut or you cut it yourself. So at one time you will have a bunch of leaves, like you'll have a lot of leaves, not one leaf at a time. Cutting one leaf is again be a tiresome task and waste of time. So you can do this quickly. So I have over here, like I've made the accordion pleats, 5 to 6 of them. So I have now I have 5 leaves. So the upper 1 inch is the stem and the lower is the other leaves. So I have taken green to show you how to go about. Now for the flowers, you take 4 by 4 inches square, make a square, make it half. These are the flowers. Again make it half. Okay, hold the pointed side down, create a triangle. So you can keep telling the children, we are making a square, we are making another square, and then we are making a triangle. So on the triangle, the lower part of the triangle, you just make a little circle to indicate that that's the middle of the flower, and from this side you just make an arch to create the petal. Then you cut this. It's very simple. Don't cut this lower part, but cut the upper one and go round, and you'll have a flower ready. Okay, so this is your flower. You open it up and here's your flower. Now this flower has to be decorated. So to decorate the flower, what I did, I just took my glue bottle and made a stencil. You can make the children do all this. Then I took the sketch pens and I created these lines around it just to give it a decorative look. So the kids can go like this. One big line, one small line, one big line, one small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, and they will learn sequencing. This will help them learn sequencing, tall, small, short and long, short, long. So it becomes like that. Then they can just color it inside the way they want it. After that, I applied some glue on it and just sprinkled a little bit of, I'm doing it roughly, but you can see how I've done it over there. And I sprinkled a little bit of glitter, so it just gives a little festive look. Okay, so just move it like this, and then you can also take a brush, dip it in the glue and spread it, and then spread the glitter like this. Okay, the center you can do it the way you want it, color it the way you want. So I've just made the same color purple over here. Now to get to making the toran, so it's very simple. Like I said, this strip, take this strip, again apply some glue inside, quickly apply some glue, just go up, on the line that we have created, the fold that we have created, stick the wool. I've cut the wool the size of the tinted paper length plus a little more so that you can hang it, and then stick it like this here. So once it's stuck, you have on both the sides, you have extra string to tie up on the dough if you want to tie it on the dough. Then it's then it's very simple. The leaves also I have put some glitter. This the kids can do, you can tell them to do. Stick one leaf, again they learn sequencing, one leaf and one flower. Give them a free hand to decorate the flowers. One leaf and one flower. So you keep continuing this. Stick the stems on the top. And then so alternate the leaf and the flowers, and that's how, again, the kids are learning to stick, they are learning to alternate the leaves and the flowers, which is sequencing, and you can ask them to color you have some extra over here. So your toran is ready. So I'm going to color this quickly and show you so it gets a complete look. I'm doing it very quickly. So your toran is ready. So here's how it looks. Now I've made one over here too. This I've taken a plain paper. So I took a light paper and actually sat and colored it, painted it with poster colors. So the flowers are painted and the leaves are painted. But that's a little it's a little long task. It will like take you long. But the kids will be more engaged. So that will make them engage better. Here they will just be sticking, and it will look like this. So I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I'm sure you're going to make the kids create this. It'll give them a sense of achievement, a sense of being engaged, and they are going to enjoy the Ganpati. So happy festival, happy Ganpati.